For some of us, yoga is not only strange, but just a form of glorified stretching.
Well, studies continue to show the health benefits of yoga are almost endless. In this special report, we take a look at how yoga has changed one young woman's life and why a local studio wants your doctor to one day put yoga on a prescription.
You can be here, you can come into a little bit of a bow if that feels comfortable.
You might say this is Bethany Keeling's happy place.
It just helps me keep everything collected.
The chest drops down.
It's a place that has changed her life.
I'm very passionate about it because without it, I'm tense. Without it, I take extra medicine. Without it, I'm, more stressed.
Yoga
Inhale.
is where she goes to heal.
Feel that lengthening of the front body.
Yoga is my medicine. It definitely has been, and I've tried all kinds of medicine.
Bethany was born with a congenital heart disease called tetralogy of Fallot.
What that means is there's 4 things wrong with my heart, although one is only present at a time. So basically, once you fix one problem, another one will happen.
But 3 years ago, she had a pulmonary valve replacement, returning her blood flow to normal for now.
It was a cow tissue valve. The pig one was too small, and so luckily those tissues, our body accepts it, but over time it does deteriorate, unlike our tissue. So we'll have to have that replaced in time.
Release the hands down.
In the meantime, at 28 years old, she's healthier than ever, using yoga to cut her medications in half.
On my list of prescriptions for my cardiologist type to continue to do my yoga. So I do consider it as a prescription if I could.
Bend the knees when you're ready. Float or step. Top of the mat.
That's exactly what Lexi Alexander wants doctors to do.
1, exhale, bring the hands down to the mat.
My hope within the next 2 years is to have every doctor in town willing to write yoga on a prescription pad.
Lexi and her teachers at Homegrown Yoga and T-Bar are working on their yoga therapy certification with the hope that health insurance will soon cover your practice.
Same as chiropractors, physical therapy, it is seen as another avenue just to bring wellness.
I do believe that it can definitely be used as a medical treatment.
Cardiologist Dr. Marcel Lechin believes in the benefits of yoga.
The deep and slow breathing in and out, it's almost as powerful as a pill.
Chest is going back.
Studies have proven that yoga eases lower back pain, lowers blood pressure, and can be used to help with autoimmune disorders, anxiety, depression, and insomnia.
Float those toes up. Maybe not. Just play with it.
But in order for it to be beneficial, you'll have to be consistent.
You're not going to see the results in one class, and as a matter of fact, you might see the results during the class, but if you're finished with the class and you go back to your stressful experience, you're going to have the same rise in blood pressure that you would have otherwise.
Space in the side body.
That's why yoga is a constant in Bethany's life.
Therapy, basically, is what I call it, whether mental or physical therapy. To me, this is my therapy.